As I moved here, I had a lovely bit of land here, kind of something I really wanted to do with it, and yeah, decided that I would love to make a dream come true and build a mini golf course in my house. I did my research online and found Southwest Greens. The thing I wanted to do, a lot of low maintenance, and yeah, I spoke with Kevin and Warren about that. We had a really good relationship. He gave me a lot of good feedback, and yeah, we used James Edwards' EDI design as well, and we came up with a big concept, what I wanted to do to make my dream come true, building this here in my house. We loved it. We loved the idea of it, and from a plain piece of land to building what we have now, it was a lot of hard work, a lot of craftsmanship.
Well, the biggest challenge we experienced here was to build a lake into what was essentially a farm field originally. We had several challenges along with the weather, so the lake would fill 3 or 4 times before we could get the liner in there, so we were continually pumping out. The ground conditions were just basically affected by weather. We would expect building in the summer that we would have days like this where we can just drive on. But at the end of the day, we continued to build it with our own personal passion. It was like we were building it for ourselves. James Edwards of EDI was sort of inspirational in showing us the slopes and the contours that we wanted to achieve just to create that vision.
Well, this particular site was a unique one, mainly because of the fact that the site was inverted and also it was reversed. The actual site fell to the north quite severely, and we had to design a lake feature as well as 2 of the other greens which have a certain topography. And so what we had to do was effectively take a centre knoll out of the centre of the site, and then we had to raise the edges. So in terms of creating something special, we had to do that with a site that wasn't really playing ball. But in the end, I think we came up with a great solution where you can see all the targets.
Yeah, so Southwest Greens as a product, it's known in the market as the best in class product. A lot of times you focus on the materials that are used. We always make the assumption that we use the best materials in the industry, but what really separates our company, Southwest Greens Construction, from the rest, we believe, is in what we do with those materials. Our pride in craftsmanship, the way we install, the attention to detail, and then our ability to, with very precise measurements, etc., deliver to the last millimeter, and we take a lot of pride in that.
A lot of time and effort, even just the small little details, and so what it is today is definitely it's a lot better than I ever thought it could be, and yeah, I'm just so happy I've got it here now, and happy I chose Southwest Greens to do that.